Excellent research is only possible if you have colleagues with whom you can exchange ideas, you can exchange methods, you get input. It is the diversity in research input that makes the research excellent. My name is Catherina Becker. I moved to the TU Dresden, to the Center of Regenerative Therapies last summer. And I'm now here a professor of neural development and regeneration, and also an Alexander von Humboldt Professor. Appropriate to the center name, our research is centered around how to repair the spinal cord. And we use the zebrafish as a model organism, and we do so to learn from it, because the zebrafish can repair its central nervous system, and we cannot. This center, and TU Dresden in general, is an excellent research environment for the questions that we want to answer. There are a lot of colleagues who are interested in similar questions. The research focus at TU Dresden, the fact that there are many excellent colleagues here, a very, very broad range of questions that are similar to ours, that stimulated the idea to come here.